Hi, I'm Robert Renman. I have an HVX200p by Panasonic, and I have found a couple of issues with my camera. And the main thing perhaps is that if you listen carefully you can hear a beeping sound. It's almost like a stopwatch going beep, beep, beep. I'll be quiet now and if you listen carefully, when your speaker turn up, I think you can hear it. It's beep, beep, beep. It's not steady. It's a little bit irregular, but it's definitely there. And it's not a big deal, but it's kind of annoying once you find something like that. The other thing I noticed that, which is also minor, is that if I hold something closer to the camera and it's auto-focusing, you can hear a little bit of a sound, kind of a lower sound when it's focusing on something. If you listen carefully. Now it stopped because now it has focus. And when I remove this, you'll hear it start again. There it stopped. It's not a big deal, but anyway, I noticed it. So, and also let's try the zoom. If I use the manual zoom feature, a little bit of sound there, and let's switch to the servo. Click, and I'll use the remote. It's quieter, I think. And it's just this remote that came with the camera, infrared remote. So anyway, that's all.